Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing all the details about the mini-me box that my girls received from Tress for August. Now that box was themed Carnival and it was perfect because we had Notting Hill Carnival going on here in London, and that box, I must say, is one of my favorites thus far from Tress. Now the companies that the products were from, some of them were new to me and some of them I knew from before, but I had never tried the particular products that I received. Now about 3 of them are now what I would put on my favorites list that I have repurchased and I will continue to repurchase in the future. Now I'll show you some footage as well of when I actually use the products on my girls' hair, and yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, so from this particular box, I would say 2 of my favorite products would be the Palmer's Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo and the Hair Chemist Deep Repair Mask. I've actually used both of these in my hair as well. I like to try the stuff in my hair as well, even though the box is really for the kids, but hey. So I found with this, it's very moisturizing. I love the scent of it. It leaves the hair extremely soft, and it has a good slip, and it does not leave the hair feeling dry like how some shampoos do dry out the hair afterwards. It still is, as I said before, very moisturized. And hey, it has coconut oil in it, so there you go, that's it, it's good. So the other product that I really liked, as I said, was this one from Hair Chemist, the Deep Repair Mask, and this is almost empty now, as you can see. I've continuously used this in both of the girls' hair, especially my eldest, because she has swimming on a weekly basis, and even though it's a deep repair mask, I feel as if it really helps her hair after she's had the swim to try to combat some of that chlorine, you know. So I found that this works lovely. It helps to bring back their natural curls, it helps the hair to coil, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is actually show you some footage of when I applied and used the products from this August box. It was the weekend of Carnival. Their hair needed some TLC, so it was perfect. I just went right in and I was very excited. I'm always excited when we get the box to try the products, especially if they're new to me and I really want to see if it's something that I can incorporate long-term into their hair regimens or even mine. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy the footage, and I'll also be doing a blog pretty soon on this box as well to give you more details and also to let you know where you can find all of these products in case you are ever looking to try them out. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!